Living in a big city can be both exciting and expensive. From the high cost of housing to the cost of transportation, groceries, and other essentials, the cost of living in a big city can quickly add up. However, with some planning and budgeting, it is possible to save money while living in a big city. Here are 12 tips for doing so. 1. Plan your budget. One of the most important steps to saving money in a big city is to plan your budget. Start by tracking your expenses and creating a monthly budget. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save money. Be sure to include all your monthly expenses, including rent, utilities, transportation, groceries, and entertainment. Use public transportation. Owning a car in a big city can be expensive, with the cost of parking, insurance, and gas. Instead, consider using public transportation, which is often more affordable and reliable. Many cities also have bike-sharing programs or electric scooter rentals, which can be a cost-effective way to get around. 3. Cook at home. Eating out in a big city can be tempting, with so many great restaurants and food options. However, eating out can quickly add up and take a toll on your budget. Instead, consider cooking at home more often. Meal planning and bulk buying can help you save money on groceries. And cooking at home can be a fun and healthy way to eat. 4. Look for free or low-cost entertainment. Big cities often offer a wide range of entertainment options, from museums and galleries to concerts and festivals. However, these events can be expensive. Look for free or low-cost options, such as outdoor concerts, community events, or local parks. Many museums and galleries also offer free admission days. 5. Shop smart. When shopping for essentials, such as clothing or household items, look for sales and discounts. Many big cities also have thrift stores or second-hand shops, which can be a great way to find quality items at a lower cost. Consider sharing a subscription service or sharing items with friends or roommates to save money. 6. Share living expenses. Sharing living expenses with roommates or a partner can be a great way to save money. Splitting rent, utilities, and groceries can help lower your monthly expenses. You can also consider renting a smaller apartment or finding a roommate to help lower your housing costs. Before we move on to number 7, if this video bring you any value so far, may you kindly click like and subscribe to our channel? This will really help us a lot and we owe it all to you. Thank you. 7. Use apps and websites for discounts. There are many apps and websites available that offer discounts on everything from food and drinks to entertainment and shopping. Groupon and Living Social offer daily deals for local businesses, while apps like Ibotta and Rakuten offer cashback on purchases. 8. Take advantage of loyalty programs. Many retailers, restaurants, and grocery stores offer loyalty programs that can help you save money. Sign up for loyalty programs at your favorite stores and restaurants to receive discounts, rewards, and special promotions. 9. Use energy-saving practices. Utility bills can add up quickly, especially in a big city with extreme temperatures. Use energy-saving practices, such as turning off lights and electronics when not in use, and adjusting your thermostat to save money on your utility bills. 10. Buy in bulk. Buying in bulk can be a great way to save money on groceries and other essentials. Consider purchasing a membership to a warehouse store like Costco or Sam's Club to take advantage of bulk discounts. You can also purchase non-perishable items, such as toiletries and cleaning supplies, in bulk to save money in the long run. 11. Reduce impulse purchases. Impulse purchases can quickly drain your bank account, especially in a city with so many shopping options. To avoid impulse purchases, create a shopping list before heading to the store and stick to it. You can also wait a day before making a purchase to ensure it's something you truly need or want. 12. Look for free fitness options. Staying fit in a big city can be expensive, with pricey gym memberships and fitness classes. Look for free fitness options, such as outdoor workout classes or running groups. Many cities also offer free fitness programs in local parks or community centers. Saving money while living in a big city requires some effort and planning. By sharing living expenses, using apps and websites for discounts, taking advantage of loyalty programs, using energy-saving practices, buying in bulk, reducing impulse purchases, and looking for free fitness options, you can save money and enjoy all that a big city has to offer. Remember, even small changes can add up to big savings over time. Overall, living in a big city can be expensive, but with some planning and budgeting, it is possible to save money. Thank you for making it this far. If you have any tip about saving money in the big city, please leave it in the comment below. We would love to hear from you. Thank you.